Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. The Ethereum chart has shown an initial reaction to our micro support zone here. Let's just talk about the micro patterns here because honestly not much is going on. As you know, it's really mind-numbing. Very boring. So we have a few differences to Bitcoin's chart here, okay, which are I think noteworthy. Of course, as you know, also from previous updates, it's entirely possible that the fourth wave correction bottomed here on the 13th of April. Based on that assumption, we are now in a fifth wave to the upside. Okay, fourth wave bottomed. By the way, I will change the wave degree here. So fourth wave bottomed, and then we are now in the fifth wave to the upside. What is shown here as a 5-wave increase is a roadmap that the bulls need to follow in order to confirm that this fourth wave indeed bottomed on the 13th of April. The low would have been then at around 2,765. We've seen a rally, however only in 3 waves. This rally has been unable to form a new high, so this high remains intact. We have seen a corrective pullback that kept the door open for higher, however only in a diagonal pattern, not in an impulse, which always leaves probabilities a little bit questionable and unclear because this rally was a 3-wave move. So the only way to count this from a bullish point of view is to assume this is an A wave of a 3rd wave. This here could have been the B wave pullback. We talked about it. We've seen an initial reaction to the support region, all good. And if the bulls can take the lead now, a 3rd wave rally should take us to $3,625. But then we still need another 4 or 5 pattern. The 5th wave should reach 3,770. So until we see these 5 waves, yeah, we can follow that pattern, but it's just not clearly directly bullish. And we need to break above now the newly added initial resistance area, which I've added today. It's between 3,180 and 3,242. A break above it would already indicate that, yeah, we could be in the C wave to the upside, but it also takes a break above 3,300, the green line here, to confirm that further. Then we can look finally towards this target. Until then, there is risk for the white count to play out. In this case, this is an A, B, C structure. C wave should send us down lower to maybe $2,500, $2,600. If we zoom in, you can see how this is subdividing because it's possible that a B wave topped there. We had a wave 1 to the downside. Yep, reacted also to the support region. But then the rally from yesterday's low was only in 3 waves. Okay, that's the main problem here. So that's different to Bitcoin. So it was an A wave possibly in only 3 waves. B wave pullback, maybe we get a C wave up. Maybe. Not even guaranteed. Well, guaranteed anyway, it's not. Nothing's guaranteed. But it's not even probable because the A wave was only in 3 waves. Bitcoin's A wave was at least in 5. That shows more strength. But in the end, we're dealing here with 15-minute charts. So, you know, they are less reliable. But if we get one more high here in wave C, that could still be all part of the bearish wave 2, which could lead to a 3rd wave breakdown. So it's a bearish setup. Okay, so we have a bearish setup here on the chart, and it doesn't really matter so much what I'm leaning to. I'm fairly neutral here at the moment because of all this mess. But a C wave should take us to 3,220, ideally, okay? Obviously, if we get a break below yesterday's low, I think then we're breaking down more directly. But this looks as if it could work out in the white count. But when we get into the resistance area, pay attention to the levels. And if we get a break above 3,242, it might be a first indication that we also try to attack and break above the green line. That's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.